Welcome to our channel. Today's video is about teaching the topic when with a simple past and past continuous tenses. Hello students. Today we are going to learn how to use the conjunction when with the simple past and past continuous tenses. Let's dive in with examples and some fun animations. Example 1. Simple past plus simple past sentence. When the bell rang, the students entered the classroom. Here, when connects to past actions that happened one after other. Example 2. Past continuous plus simple past sentence. She was cooking when the phone rang. When is used here to show that one action was interrupted by another action. Example 3. Simple past plus past continuous tense. When I entered the room, he was reading a book. Notice how when indicates the timing of these two overlapping actions. Example 4. Past continuous plus past continuous sentence. We were playing outside when it was raining lightly. This shows two actions happening at the same time, connected by when. Example 5. Simple past plus simple past sentence. When she finished her homework, she watched TV. When signals the sequence of events here. Example 6. Past continuous tense plus simple past sentence. They were walking to school when they saw a rainbow. This example highlights an ongoing action interrupted by something exciting. Example 7. Simple past plus simple past sentence. When the storm ended, we went outside. When marks the end of one event and the beginning of another. Example 8. Past continuous tense plus simple past sentence. I was writing a letter when the lights went out. Here, when introduces an interruption to the ongoing action of writing. Example 9. Simple past plus past continuous tense sentence. When the teacher entered, the students were discussing the homework. This shows how when helps us describe two overlapping activities. Example 10. Simple past plus simple past sentence. When the clock struck 12, the celebration began. Events like this are perfect for when to show timing. Example 11. Past continuous plus simple past sentence. He was watching a movie when the doorbell rang. When shows how one event interrupted another ongoing activity. Example 12. Simple past plus simple past. When they arrived at the park, the game started. Notice the sequence here when helps to organize the timing of events. And that's how we use when with simple past and past continuous tense. Remember to practice these examples. This video is helpful. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.